Prime Minister also leveled a fresh attack at the INDI bloc. The Prime Minister invoked Pokhran and India's historic nuclear tests there and then attacked the opposition for stating in their manifesto that they want to scrap all of India's nuclear weapons. He cited how India has threats on both its shoulders and asked the crowd whether the opposition wants a weak India. We first up listen in to the Prime Minister.
उन्होंने अपने मैनिफेस्टो में लिखा है, जिस पोखरण की धरती ने भारत को परमाणु शक्ति से संपन्न किया, अब इंडिया अलायंस का कहना है कि हम भारत के परमाणु हथियार नष्ट कर देंगे, दरिया में डुबो देंगे। भारत जैसा देश जिसके दोनों तरफ पड़ोसियों के पास परमाणु हथियार हो, क्या उस देश में परमाणु हथियार समाप्त करना, इसकी सोच ये समाप्त करना चाहता है इंडिया अलायंस। मैं जरा कांग्रेस को पूछना चाहता हूं, आपके ये साथी, ये आपके इंडिया अलायंस के साथी किसके इशारे पर काम कर रहे हैं? ये कैसा गठबंधन है जो भारत को शक्तिहीन करना चाहता है?
So that's Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who's highlighted the threats on the borders, and while citing one of the INDI bloc's party's manifestos, has asked whether or not this is anti-India or pro-India. Remember, the Prime Minister first said that in the Congress manifesto there's a stamp of Muslim League, which was the culprit of partition, and now he says another party which is part of the INDI bloc in its manifesto has made a dangerous declaration against the country that it will destroy India's nuclear weapons. We'll take you through that particular excerpt of the manifesto he's talking about, the poll promise made by a certain party that belongs to the INDI bloc. But he does say very clearly that two of our neighbors are armed with nuclear weapons. Should our nuclear weapons be destroyed? He asked the audience, the crowd present at Barmer in Rajasthan, and then, of course, raised questions with the alliance as well, with the INDI bloc as well. What kind of alliance is this that wants to make India powerless? So that's the Prime Minister's most scathing attack at some of the opposition parties in the INDI bloc. And we've also accessed the manifesto reference that the Prime Minister was alluding to, the intent to scrap the nuclear weapons. Remember, this happened in Barmer just a short while ago. The Prime Minister was talking about the CPM and the poll promise made by the party. We've accessed this manifesto that the Prime Minister was alluding to. The intent to scrap India's nuclear weapons is in the CPM's manifesto. Ankit is joining us with that particular excerpt from the poll promise made by the CPM. Ankit, over to you.
So I'm going to read out this CPIM manifesto excerpt. It makes for interesting reading. It says, on security matters, the CPM works for exit from alliances like the India-US Defense Framework Agreement, the Quad and the I2U2, removal of all military bases in our region, particularly the US base in Diego Garcia in the Indian Ocean, where nuclear weapons are stated, and then, listen in, complete elimination of nuclear weapons and other weapons of mass destruction, including chemical and biological weapons. So this third point here is what the Prime Minister is alluding to. This is the CPIM manifesto. It wants a complete break from America, and it calls for a elimination of all India's nuclear weapons as well.
Many thanks for that, Ankit. Let me also take in a quick word from my colleague Pragya joining us with more details. The Prime Minister spoke of, the CPIM's manifesto, talking about, disarming nuclear weapons, scrapping India's nuclear weapons. The Prime Minister spoke of how this is so very problematic. He also once again highlighted and reiterated, Pragya, the Congress manifesto and how it has a stamp of Muslim League, which was the culprit of partition.
Well, we have to be, acknowledge the fact that Prime Minister was speaking in Barmer, which is also a border district of Rajasthan. and the area, the border that it touches with is of Pakistan. And there are many army personnel that goes from Rajasthan in every army as well. And this is exactly why Prime Minister touched upon this issue, especially in Barmer today, to say that, you know, nationalism has been an issue that is at the core of ideology of BJP, and there have been anti-national forces in form of Congress and other political parties as well, who have been trying to weaken the system. And in fact, he asked whether, you know, we have two of our neighboring countries that have nuclear power. Should we be weak enough not to have a nuclear power, and should we be weak enough to destroy a nuclear power centers as well? This is what he was asking the voters as well. And you know, in a significant step, he also said that you need to decide with what kind of forces do you want to stand, whether the one who strengthens the country or the one that weakens the country. And in this particular thing that he in fact take on Congress and as well as other partner of India alliance, now we know that it was Prime Minister was targeting the left
So
party.
he asked the crowds whether or not this was, you know, fair asking on part of the CPIM, but he did also ask the alliance in a sense that what kind of alliance is this really that wants India to be powerless? Pragya, many thanks for putting that in perspective.